Hey guys, let's test your English. You've got 5 seconds to think and answer. Ready? Let's go. 1. Art. Art is a beautiful way to express feelings. 2. Area. This area is very quiet at night. 3. Activity. Reading is my favorite weekend activity. 4. Analysis. The analysis of the data showed interesting results. 5. Army. He decided to join the army after high school. 6. Article. I read an interesting article about climate change today. 7. Audience. The singer captivated the entire audience. 8. Advertising. Good advertising can boost sales significantly. 9. Addition. In addition to coffee, we also serve tea. 10. Apartment. I live in a small apartment downtown. 11. Attention. Please pay attention to the safety instructions. 12. Appearance. Her appearance has changed a lot since I last saw her. 13. Association. He is part of a professional association. 14. Advice. Can you give me some advice on learning English? 15. Application. I submitted my application for the job yesterday. 16. Ad. I saw an interesting ad for a new phone. 17. Agency. She works for a marketing agency. 18. Administration. The university administration announced new policies. 19. Aspect. Punctuality is an important aspect of professionalism. 20. Attitude. Your positive attitude is inspiring.